So this presentation has 12 questions. It's assorted, it's both from algebraic identities and factorization. Okay, so let's go through the questions as well as the answers. Look at this one, factorize the expression. All right. All right. So every term here, this expression has 4 terms. This expression has 4 terms and every term has a in common. You can see a square, a cubed. So the least power is common, a. So after taking out a common, we have this expression. This expression cannot be factorized further. This cannot be factorized further. Like if you try to group the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms, you will see that in the bracket, you're not getting the same expression. If you try to group the first 2 terms and last 2 terms, you will see that in that bracket, you're not getting the same expression. So this cannot be factorized ahead. All the 4 terms have a in common. Take out a as a common factor, and that's it. This cannot be factorized further by grouping. So what's common between x cubed and 144x?
X, ma'am.
X is common. Yeah, so that's what you'll have to do first. Take out x common. So x into x squared is x cubed. X into minus 144 is minus 144x. So now this is of the form a squared minus b squared. X the whole square minus 12 the whole square. So of the form a square minus b square, which can be factorized as a plus b into a minus b. So x, write it as it is. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. That's it. I've just written the question. That is the expression given. This is the expression given. So these are the factors of this expression. These are the 3 factors of this expression. X plus 12, and x minus 12 are the factors of this expression, x cubed minus 144x. So you need to divide one by the other. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 11 ones are, 11 11s are. Nothing else gets cancelled, so write the others as they are. So here you see the expressions a plus b, a square plus b square, and ab. Given the values of these two, you'll have to find the value of ab. We're given the value of a plus b, we're given the value of a square plus b square, and you need to find the value of ab. Now these expressions can be connected by this identity. A plus b, the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The expressions in this question, we see the expressions a plus b, a square plus b square, and ab. Now these expressions can be connected using the identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. All right. So using that, you can find ab. So yeah. So we have a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now a plus b is 25. So 25 the whole square is equal to a square plus b square is 225 plus 2 into ab. ab we have to find. So you have to solve this and find the value of ab. Solve this and find the value of ab. You can do it like this. Or what you can do is, you can take up this equation a plus b is equal to 25 and square this on both the sides. Square this on both the sides. Okay. I'll show you with the help of the answer behind. So see here. You can also do this. So this is what we saw the alternate method now. So writing the identity, we write the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b the whole square. You can write it anyways. You can also write a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Anyways, you can write it. Anyways. All right. Okay. So we just discussed this method. Write the identity. Why we write this identity is because these expressions are found in this identity. So write the identity, substitute the values given. We know a square plus b square 225, a plus b is 25. Yeah, and solve this to find the value of ab. You can also do it like this. A plus b is equal to 25 is given to us. Now square this on both the sides. So a plus b the whole square is equal to 25 square. Now what is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 625. 25 into 25 is 625. Now substitute the value of a square plus b square. A square plus b square is 225. 225 plus 2ab is equal to 625. So just solve and find the value of ab. Transpose, find the value of ab. So you can find the value of ab either by taking this equation and squaring this on both the sides. Squaring this on both the sides, or you can write this identity which connects the expressions a square plus b square, a plus b and ab. See, these are three expressions in the question. See, a square plus b square, a square plus b square, ab, what we have to find, a plus b, a plus b.
Ma'am,
Yeah, yes.
I'm Lakshna. I just joined now. Could you tell me what have you done till now?
Okay. We have discussed the answers to the first 4 questions, Lakshana. Have a look at the questions.
No, should I have to write it down?
No. Nobody has taken it down. So I was just telling them that my son is not well, so I have to take him to the doctor. So we're going to discuss the answers to a few presentations. I have 4 with me right now. 2 or 3, we'll discuss the answers to 2 or 3 presentations and I'll share the pictures with you. So you will see, so I'll be in the meeting till 8:30. After which I'll share the images with you. You will continue to, work out whatever we have discussed in your notebook. So you will stay in the meeting till 9:30 and complete the work. So nobody has written anything so far. We're just discussing.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll share all the images with you later. All right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. If it will be convenient for all of you to take a screenshot, I think that will be better. Is it possible? All of you can take a screenshot?
Okay, ma'am.
Or let me do one thing. Let me just take the pictures right away and share it on WhatsApp. 1 second. Yeah. So here we'll have to find the value of A, given that 9A is equal to 76 square minus 67 square. Okay. So you can see here. So this of the form A square minus B square. This is of the form a square minus b squared. So 9a is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Do not find 76 into 76, 67 into 67 and use those values. The answer which you get will be the same. But you're not supposed to find the products like this. You're expected to use the identity. So this is of the form a square minus b square. So use the identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 76 plus 67 plus into 76 minus 67. A plus b into a minus b. So the sum is 143. The difference is 9. So A is equal to 143 into 9 divided by 9. 9 cancels and A is 143. Here we are given the value of x minus 1 by x. And using this, we'll have to find the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared. So since we have to find the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared, we'll square this on both the sides. So squaring on both the sides, x minus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 7 squared, squaring on both the sides. So now the left hand side is like a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. A is x, b is 1 by x. A minus b the whole square. A is x, b is 1 by x. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. When you expand the left hand side, you get x squared, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 49. Now x and x cancels. X square minus 2 plus 1 by x square is equal to 49. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 49 plus 2. Minus 2 when it goes to the other side plus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square is 51. So this is given. We square on both the sides. A minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you can write the terms in any order. You can write a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus b square minus 2ab. It's the same. So a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 49. Then minus 2, x and x cancels. Minus 2 on the other side plus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square is 51. If the expression x squared plus 19x minus 20 shows the area of rectangle, find the possible length and breadth of this rectangle. So here we are given a trinomial, which is not a perfect square. It's a trinomial because there are 3 terms. It's not a perfect square. You see there, 20 is not a perfect square. And also the signs don't match, you know. Here, x squared plus 19x minus 20. The trinomials which are perfect squares should be of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Because this one is a plus b the whole square and this one is a minus b the whole square. A trinomial, meaning an expression which has 3 terms, is a perfect square, can be a perfect square, or may be a perfect square if the 3 terms are of this form: a square plus 2ab plus b square. See, it's plus everywhere. Plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or it is plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you see that the middle term can be plus 2ab or minus 2ab. But a square and b square are always positive. In both, a square and b square are positive. Plus a square plus b square in both. The difference is plus 2ab minus 2ab. So this is a trinomial, which is a perfect square. Trinomial, which is a perfect square. So if a trinomial is a perfect square, it should be of this form: a squared plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. But look at the expression given. It's a trinomial. The expression is a trinomial, no doubt. But see the signs. This, okay, like a square, this is like plus 2ab, this is like minus b square. So the signs don't match. Because it should be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or it should be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So clearly the signs don't match. It's plus 2ab minus b square. No. So this trinomial is not a perfect square. This trinomial is not a perfect square. So then, if the trinomial is not a perfect square, then you will have to factorize by splitting the middle term. By splitting the middle term. X squared plus 19x minus 20. So take the product. 1 into 20 is 20. So this itself will give 19. Okay, so take the numbers 20 and 1, because 20 and 1 itself will give 19. So you don't have to write ahead. So fix the signs. So there should be plus, minus. So plus 20 and minus 1 will give us plus 19, and the product is minus 20. Plus 20 minus 1 is plus 19. And the product plus 20 into minus 1, the product when you multiply, plus into minus, minus 20 into 1, 20, minus 20. So we'll have to split the middle term using the numbers plus 20 and minus 1. X squared plus 20x minus 1x, or simply x minus 20. So x into x plus 20 minus 1 into x plus 20. X plus 20 into x minus 1. So if this is the length of the rectangle, this is the breadth of the rectangle. Or if this is the length of the if this is the length of the rectangle, this is the breadth of the rectangle. Or if this expression is the length of the rectangle, then this expression is the breadth of the rectangle. Factorize again. So we have x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2 can be written as 2x into 1 by x. 2 into x into 1 by x. See, when you now supposing you have 7, you multiply 7 by 5 and by 1 by 5. So 5 and 5 cancel. So you still have 7 only, right? When you multiply an expression or a number by something and it's reciprocal, you haven't done any change actually. The value of the expression remains the same. So you have 10. You multiply by 2. If you multiply 10 by 2, yeah, it's 20. You have changed the value. No, you multiply by 2 and it's reciprocal 1 by 2. So like it's still 10. So you have 2. You multiply this by x and it's reciprocal 1 by x. So though you can see something is visible, some change is visible, but the value is the same. It's still 2 only. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into multiply by x, and it's reciprocal 1 by x. Anyways, it's still 2. You have not changed the value. 2 is 2 only. Just that it looks different. It's 2 into x into 1 by x, which is still 2. Okay. So this is the this is in the first bracket, or before you do this, you can use the brackets first. So x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2 in one bracket, then that minus 3x plus 3 by x in the other bracket. See, when you take out the minus common, the signs will change. I've grouped the first 3 terms, the first 3 terms, and the last 2 terms. So when you take a minus outside like this, minus outside because there's a minus here. Just minus. Because this we have put in a bracket. You cannot simply put the bracket like this. If there was a plus here, then you can just put a bracket. It's okay. But there's a minus here, so you cannot just put a bracket like this. For the first 3 terms, you can put a bracket. But for the last 2 terms, if you put a bracket like this, the value will change because the minus which is here outside the bracket, it will be minus 3x, minus into minus plus 3 by x. It's actually minus 3 by x. So put the first 3 terms in a bracket, minus, inside the bracket, you will have 3x plus 3 by x. Because minus 3 minus into 3x, minus 3x, minus into plus minus 3 by x. You can see when you open the brackets, you get back the terms minus 3x and minus 3 by x. When you multiply, when you open the bracket, you see that you get back the terms minus 3x and minus 3 by x. Minus into 3x, minus 3x, minus into plus minus 3 by x. So now x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Write this in the form a the whole square plus b the whole square. X is x the whole square. And 1 by x square is 1 by x the whole square. So like a squared plus b squared. A the whole square plus b the whole square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into x into 1 by x. So x is a, 1 by x is b. A squared plus b squared plus 2 into a x into b 1 by x. Minus, here 3 is common. 3 is common. X plus 1 by x. 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 1, 3 by x. So now here we have x plus 1 by x the whole square. Because what you see here is a squared plus 2ab plus, sorry, a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, which is a plus b the whole square. A squared plus b squared plus 2ab is a plus b the whole square. Minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Now, consider the situation. If you have a square minus 3a, what is common? A is common. Then in the bracket, you will have a minus 3. In the same way here, this is the first term. This is the second term. Here you have x plus 1 by x. Here you have x plus 1 by x the whole square. So what is common? X plus 1 by x is common. X plus 1 by x is common. Like if you have a square minus 3a, a is common. So here x plus 1 by x is common. So in the bracket, The first term is x plus 1 by x the whole square. But you have taken out x plus 1 by x common. So another x plus 1 by x in the bracket. And this one is out common, so minus 3. You could just include this step. And let me work it here for you. So x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2 minus 3x minus 3 by x is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2 in one bracket minus. If you want, you can take out 3 common now itself. So you'll have x minus 3 into x is minus 3x, minus into plus is minus 1 by x. This is the first step. Now, present this in the form a the whole square plus b the whole square plus 2 into a into b minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. 1 second, children. Yeah, thank you, children. Yeah, so in the first bracket it is x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Now between these two terms, x plus 1 by x is common. I told you, treat this as a squared minus 3a. A common. So in the bracket, a into a is a squared minus 3 into a is 3a. In the same way, x plus 1 by x the whole square. So x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x is x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 3. This into this is the first term. This into this is the second term. Yeah, this you'll be able to understand. So we'll do it together. Yeah, tell me, children.
Now we can write it of the form a square minus b square.
Yeah, before that, children, always remember if there's something common, bring out the common factor. If the expressions, if in the expression the terms have something in common, bring out the common factor. So what's common between the first term and the second term?
b square.
B square, B square, bring it out. So we have 1 by 36 a square. 1 second. Yeah. Now, what is 1 by
6a to the whole power
square? minus, very good. Yeah, minus
4/7 C to the whole power 2.
Yeah. So this of the form, you can write this of the form a square minus b square. 1/6 into 1/6 is 1/36, a square. 4/7 into 4/7 is 16/49, c square. So in the bracket, we have the expression which is of the form a square minus b square. So that can be factorized as a, this is a plus b into a minus b. Yeah, this I want you to understand yourself. We recently did questions like this in the class. The following figure shows that the dimensions of a wall, the dimensions of the wall. So what are the dimensions of the wall? What is the length of the wall? The length of the wall is 5x plus 2 units. And the breadth of the wall is 5x units.
5x.
Yeah, the length of the wall is 5x plus 2 units. The breadth of the wall is 5x units. Now on the wall, there is a door and a window, and you can see the dimensions of the door and window. Write an algebraic expression for the area of the wall to be painted. There's only one wall. Okay, so the area of the surface of the wall is L into B. It's a rectangle. Only one wall this is. Like I'm saying one wall because in volumes and surface areas, we use the formula 2h into L plus B to find the area of 4 walls. That is area of 4 walls, 2h into L plus B. So not to get confused with that. In the chapter mensuration, to find the area of 4 walls, we use the formula 2h into L plus B. Here there's only one wall, and the surface of the wall is a rectangle whose area is L into B. Okay, so area of the wall is L into B, and area of the door again L into B, area of the window L into B. So from the area of the wall, you should take away the area of the door and window. So how will we do this? Area of the wall is 20 into 500 square units. Area of the door is 5 fours are 20. Area of the window is 2 twos are 4. So 24. 100 minus 24. Right? 76 square units. This is the area of the wall to be painted. Area of the wall will be L into B. Area of the wall to be painted will be L into B minus area of the door minus the area of the window. Find the length of the side of the given square if the area of the square is 900 square units, and then find the value of x. So the area of the square is given to be 900 square units. How do you find the area of the square? How do you find the area of the square?
A square.
A square. So here it is 4x plus 5, the whole square. 4x plus 5, the whole square. Area of square is equal to 900 square units. The side here is 4x plus 5. So how do you find the area of the square? 4x plus 5, the whole square is equal to 900. So 4x plus 5 is equal to square root of 900. So 4x plus 5 is equal to 30. Square root of 900 is 30. So 4x is equal to 30 minus 5. 4x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 by 4. Can write it as a fraction, decimal also. X is equal to 6.25 units or 6.1 by 4 units, whatever. So what is the length of the side of the square? In 4x plus 5, use the value of x. Side of the square. This can be guessed, but you have to show the working. Side of the square is 4x plus 5. So that is 4 into x is 25 by 4 plus 5. So 25 plus 5, 30. 30 units. Yeah, 30 into 30 is only 900, no? So the side has to be 30 units. The product of two expressions is given. If one of them is given to you, you need to find the other. The product of two expressions is given. So like product of two numbers is 20. If one of the numbers is 2, find the other. What will be the other number?
10.
10. The product of two numbers is 20. If one of them is 2, the other one will be 10. So you'll have to divide the two expressions. So to perform the long division, we need to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So 5 minus 2. You'll have to subtract the powers. 5 minus 2, 3. X to the power 3 is the first term in the quotient. Now we'll have to multiply x cubed into x squared. X cubed into x squared. When you're multiplying, you should add the powers. X to the power 5. X cubed into x. 3 plus 1, 4. X to the power 4. Plus x cubed into 1 is x cubed. Change the signs. Change the signs. This gets cancelled. Plus x to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 cancels. And can you see? Plus x cubed minus x cubed. You can cancel. Not that not one below the other, you cannot cancel. It's not like that. You can see a plus x cubed up here and a minus x cubed down here. Cancel them. Now we have two terms remaining. Minus x to the power 4 and plus x. You must write the term with the greater power first. So x to the power 4, x to the power 1. X to the power 4 will come first. And then x. Wherever the power is more, that term should come first. Now again, minus x to the power 4. This is the new dividend. This is the remainder is a new dividend. So divide the first term, minus x to the power 4 by x squared. So you get minus x squared. Now again, multiply this minus x squared with x squared, minus x squared with x, and minus x squared with plus 1. So minus x squared into x squared. 2 plus 2, 4. Minus into plus minus, x squared into x is x cubed. Minus into plus minus. What am I saying? Minus into plus minus. It's minus x squared multiplied with plus 1. The two terms which are multiplying, minus x squared and plus 1. So minus into plus minus. And x squared into 1 is x squared. When you're multiplying two things, you should multiply their signs and then the terms. Change the signs. Change the signs. Cancels. And here, this is x cubed. That should be written first. And then plus x squared and then plus x. Write the remaining terms in the descending order of the powers. X cubed, x squared, and then x. Again, x. This is the new dividend. X cubed by x squared, which is x. Now, put that x here in the quotient. That's the next term in the quotient. Plus x. Now multiply x with x squared, plus x with plus x, and plus x with plus 1. So x squared, x into x squared, x cubed, x into x, x squared, plus x. Change the signs, they all get cancelled. That's what is here also. Yeah, I've also worked in an alternate method here. Please go through and try to understand. Yeah, so that's about the questions in this presentation. Class, use the emoji, raise your hand. Lakshana, Harsha, Gayatri, Surya. Are you there, Yarni? All right. Just give me a minute, children.